PointStudio can help you remove vegetation points that can remain after running the topography filtering tool. To remove these unwanted points, tick the checkbox for limited maximum slope. Set the angle higher than the steepest slope of the data if known, otherwise leave the default maximum slope setting of 35 degrees. Select the required filter combination and click OK or Apply. You can see that with this setting, the filter was too aggressive and removed too many points. Increase the maximum slope to 45 degrees. Click OK or Apply. Vegetation has now been removed and a good array of points remain for modelling. Visit the online help for PointStudio for details around the topography filter. Contact maptek.com to find out more.